Say choo choo. Ready to go. Choo choo. She's ready. She's ready. Choo choo. I take my parenting responsibilities very seriously, as you can see. We acquired a hobo. Choo choo. Choo choo.
I'm a tiger.
You're a tiger? Part of the training? Is it a circus?
I'm a real tiger.
Oh, okay. Ah! She's gonna eat. He's gonna eat you. Ah! Oh. Ah. Go faster?
Mom, there's a tiger. It can transform into a submarine.
Okay. Here we go. Ready?
Then a tiger it's a submarine.
Hey, Ty, look at all that flooding
this?
over there.
I'm gonna go in it. How did that happen?
It rained and rained and rained for 3 days.
The tomato. Oh, you're running around.
A tornado or a tomato?
A tornado.
A
I thought you said it
tornado.
was a big giant tomato.
Yeah. How was church? She checked that out, Missy, while she's peeing. Leaf fight. Boom. I'm gonna have so many spiders in my hair. Ew, and fleas. Get him. Don't hit Kinley. Get him, Kitty. Get him. Get him, Kitty. Chilling. Oh, that's gonna hurt your head. Kinley wants to get dragged. Was that fun? Yeah. Yeah. Look at your hair. Your hair is funny. You have weeds in it.
The dog's smelling it.
It looks like a little Dementor. Is she gonna suck out someone's soul?
Whoever gets that, smell it. Smell it inside, feel it.
Oh, that smells like fish. Nasty. Kinley. Kinley.
I'm gonna get some mud.
Kinley.
I want to see that.
Watch out, Kinley.
Kinley.
You know what?
Oh, Sadie, good cartwheel. Kinley. I'm so awesome.
It's deeper than the other flood.
Okay.
It was like somebody going.
Yeah. Oh, poo poo.
That's in my
We're playing water soccer. Oh.
Mom, I shot it in your goal.
All right.
Put it over there.
Okay. Better take it away from me. Boom. Oh, man. Oh.
And with your hands.
With your hands? You can't touch it with soccer. No way. You're kicking my butt. Loser. Ha ha ha. Is that fun, Kitty? Is it fun? Missy, hi, Missy, good girl, go, 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 go. Are you guys still playing soccer, water soccer?
Just fly out of her Can't they eat? But it flies out of our hands so quickly. Boom.
Or you want to go?
Oh, how cold is that?
They got you,
Hi. Our kids are insane.
Dad's being smart and not getting in the water. You done? You ready to go?